Pakistan firmly believes that there is no alternative to sustained engagement, dialogue and diplomacy in pursuit of the shared objectives of lasting peace, stability and progress. Ultimately, all conflicts and disputes are resolved through dialogue at the negotiation tables. The Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding remains an enduring framework for promoting peace, mutual respect and shared prosperity. While the implementation of MOU is facing challenges, Pakistan will continue to encourage all sides to end violence and resume technical level talks in accordance with the MOU and Pakistan-Qatar joint statement of 22nd June 2026. We hope that all parties will remain committed to the path of dialogue and diplomacy in resolving their outstanding issues. The Global South are being adversely affected by a situation in the Strait of Hormuz. Pakistan recognizes the urgent need to address the impact of the current situation on global energy supplies and other economic commodities, including trade and food security. We express the hope for an early normalization of the situation in the Strait of Hormuz and underscore the importance of ensuring the continued safety, security, and freedom of maritime navigation.